Welcome back to Rubixx. In case you have done an analysis before and you've seen an error message that looks like this, on this video I'm going to be teaching you how to solve this problem, and also I'll be discussing reasons why we would have such error messages. Alright, so for one, that is an instability, and there are few reasons as to why you would have such error messages. Number one might be that the beam is just hanging in the air without a proper support. Maybe when you were modeling you had a problem and you did not know. That's one reason. Another reason might be a hanging column without a proper transfer beam support. Right, there are other reasons for these instabilities really, but I'll be showing you on this tutorial how to find the problem and possibly fix it. All right, so if you're new here, please do well to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop comments as to the video you would want us to do for you. All right. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is to analyze your building. So if you come to analysis, I've done the analysis of mine. Okay, so usually it's when you're doing the analysis that you see these error messages. So I've done my analysis. All right, so to sort that problem, to know where it is, if you can remember clearly, mine is on node 91, joint 91. All right, I can just click here, come to analysis, my analysis tab, analytical model, click on building analytical model. All right, so you're going to have this then analytical model. All right, so if I click on displacement, you probably see the movement of my building and all of that, but I don't want that. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is you're going to come to general here, then click on find. All right, I'm looking for node, right, because if it was a member or something, so I'm looking for a joint, so it's a node. I can just click here, the number 91, and I click on find. All right, so if I zoom into that place, you can rotate, so you can realize that this column is hanging. That's why I had that error message in my modeling. And I give you one of the reasons. It's possible that my transfer column does not have a proper transfer beam, because usually when you're modeling things like this, you know, for your slabs, load is transferred from your slab to your beam, from your beam to your columns, and from your columns to foundations. So the software automatically has that. Okay, so if your column is not transferred probably to a beam and all of that, it gives such error messages. So you can go back, you can notice that this is on story 2. You look at it where it's on story 2, so you can come back to our 3D view, you can zoom in and realize that this is that column. All right, so if I come to my display layer, I don't want my partition wall load to show. All right, so I can just off that layer for now. So you notice that this column is on a slab. That's why it was giving that error message. All right, so to solve this, just go to my plan view, go to, this is the column, go to story 1. So to solve that problem, all I need to do is to introduce a beam here. All right, so what I can do now, delete the strip here, also delete the strip here, because if you don't delete the strip, you won't be able to insert beams. Right, so I don't mind, I'll run the analysis again. So just with time, so insert a beam there, just all this. So insert slabs on other panels and insert my strip too. but for now I just want to confirm. So now you notice that my column is now sitting on the beam. So now if I go to run my analysis, come to analysis, load the composition by finite element first. So I can just click that. I have a problem with my story one, so I can just calculate slab load first of all. Alright, that shouldn't take a lot of time. So I can come to my analysis, in analysis. Just to check if I'll see that error message again. So if you notice everything is passing successfully, just to check the members to make sure everything is okay. Right, so my relative story drift is correct, is okay, it's within reliable. So that's it. You'll be able to solve that problem. If you learned something new on our channel, please do well to subscribe. That's one way you can encourage us. Also, like the video, drop the comments of whatever video you want us to do for you. See you on the next one. Thank you.